peeled and deveined. Best thing ever. It's in there with some butter. I already added the butter, the leftovers from the veggies, spices. I'm gonna add some more. Stir it around, put the lid on it, let it cook. It'll be done in just a few minutes. Let's do a little stir. I already added the butter in there. I'm gonna have to light some candles because this is gonna smell fishy in here. You know me, I love my candles. So let's put some more butter in there, and I'm the only person that lives here. I don't care if my shrimp touch my butter. I'll deal with it. So we're going to let put some salt on there. So we're gonna let this defrost a little bit. I'm gonna stir it around again as the seasonings. Turn it up a little bit. I don't want it to go crazy. While we're gonna tell you the vegetables, I added some Parmesan cheese for now. Parmesan cheese is what we love. It also helps thicken the cream. So Parmesan cheeses. See how it turns out. I do have regular milk if I chicken out, so we're gonna use these though. Cool. I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, bye. Alright, I'm still giving our shrimp a little bit longer to cook. You can see they're not all pink, some are. Just taking they were frozen, so there was defrost water in there mixed with butter. Now I'm putting this Pasta Perfection seasoning on here. I've never tried this, so this is my first time trying this. But I'm gonna cook it to death in this stuff, so sorry if you don't like this, but most of this is gonna get drained off. That's why I'm doing it, because most of this is water. Because I'm going to drain it, re-add some butter, and then add the goodies right here. So this is just like a little saute action. So I'm gonna put the lid back on. Not yet. I'm actually gonna stir it first. See how watery that is? I'm not putting that in my sauce. Maybe just a little bit, since but not all of this. No way. But I want to cook the shrimp until it gets pink, which is not too much longer like some of these guys. So the lid will help. I'm gonna put the lid back on. A couple more minutes for these guys, and then we'll get this cracking and get everything mixed together and eat. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna show you my shrimp. So they're getting done. So they're gonna cook a little bit longer in the sauce that we're about to make. So I'm gonna drain some of this, and then I'm gonna start making the sauce into the shrimp, and then I'm gonna add this bowl of goodies into this. So I need 2 hands to drain some of this, so I'm gonna stop the recording and pick it up once I have most of it drained, and I'll start adding ingredients into this. I still have the heat pretty high. I drained most of it, so I'm letting it kind of cook off here, but I need to turn it down a little bit. So I'm gonna add some half and half first. A little bit thicker. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of oat milk because I don't know how I'm going to like this. I shook it already. Let's see what it's like. Probably add a little bit more. add it all in there. I'm gonna give it some more seasoning, since most of that seasoning went down the drain. And just like randomly shoots out like crazy. See? Oh my gosh. Yep. And then it gets stuck to the top. It won't even come. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. You just have to be a real chef, apparently. So let's give it some stirrers here. I think it's gonna be just fine. We can even add some real milk in here too. Because I do have some of that. Brand new. So I have plenty of pepper, I think, because I added a bunch into the shrimp. So now we're gonna add some of this Parmesan cheese. This is going to thicken our sauce. As soon as it starts melting, I'm going to add some of this Parmesan cheese. This will help as well. I can already see it's kind of getting thick. I should just put the rest of that bag in there because it's almost gone anyways. Made a little bit of a mess today. Trying to get that smell out of my sink. I'm gonna put the lid back on here. I'll put the lid back on this for now. Let's see. So we're gonna let this cook for a minute and we'll check on it.